Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how you can actually save your own templates on Microsoft Word. So in the previous video I showed you how you can actually access the out-of-the-box templates on Microsoft Word, but there may be cases where you want to save your own. So in this use case I went ahead and grabbed this from another content creator. But our use case today, let's imagine you're in a profession where you travel a lot, and every time you travel you have to submit a travel expense report to get reimbursed. Rather than having to save this blank version of this document somewhere on your computer, you could just go ahead and save a template of it on Microsoft Word, and then you can access it at any point. So now that we have it open and we're ready to go ahead and save it as a template, we have to come over here to File, come over here to Save As, hit the little drop down here, and we need to go ahead and select Word template. And now we can go ahead and select travel, or we can just go ahead and type in the name, travel expense report template. You can see it also changed the destination. So now it's saving it within custom office templates, and we're going to go ahead and hit save. Great. Okay, so now that we have that saved, we probably want to know how can we access this now that we have it saved as a template. So it's as easy as coming over here to File, coming over here to More Templates, coming over to Personal. And now that we come over to Personal, we have access to it. So right now you can see it has the same name, Travel Expense Report Template. And once we select it, you can see it changed the name of it. So now it's just appearing as like essentially a brand new document. So any changes we make to this is only going to impact this document and not the original template. So that is how you're actually able to save templates and then open them up on Word after.